start now with our lesson, or we will continue the lesson that we started on Thursday. Open your book on page 185 to solve exercises about the line of symmetry. And let's start. Today you will understand what we talk about on Thursday. Actually, on Thursday we talk about only the rules, but today we will do the exercises, so it will be more clear for you. Now, in this example, identify the quadrant where the point is located. You know that I told you there is 4 quadrants for each coordinate plan. The first one, this one, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Of course, in Roman numbers. Okay, you have to write the Roman numbers. Now I want to know in which quadrant this point located. First thing, the point is 2, -5. That means the x is 2, the y is -5. So as we learned in the we have to. Okay, Farah, you will help me, but first thing I want you to focus with me now to explain the first one for you, then I will ask you to help me. So first thing, the x will be on the right side, and that's mean a positive number, which is 2, and the y will be like this. The y will be down because it's -5. That's mean I have to take the numbers down under the 0. All of you will answer inshallah, but here then look, the number line with me is already divided until -2. So I will continue and I will extend the number line like this. I will extend the number line as an example. Okay, like this. I will extend the number line like this. And you can draw, of course, with a ruler. Please draw with a ruler to specify. So this is -2. As an example, this is -3. -4. This is -5. So I will take a line now from -5, a horizontal line, and the vertical line will intersect with this line on a point. This is the point. Yes, it's on page 185. So girls, this is the point. This is the point. In which quadrant actually this point? In which quadrant? Who will tell me? The first, the second, the fourth, or the third? Who will tell me? The fourth, very good. The number in quadrant 4. Now I want to know this number. Look, this point, 4, 1. In which quadrant? Will tell me. Yes, Farah. Could you please tell me? This point, 4, 1. In which quadrant? Yes, Farah. Very good, Farah. Why? Because the x is Farah? Okay, I think you close the mic. The x is 4 and the y is 1. That means the x is positive. If you want to locate actually here, no need to locate the numbers, but I locate the first one as an example for you to know how you will know this point will located in which quadrant. Look, the x is positive. The y is positive. That's mean this point will be in quadrant 1. Okay, because you know yesterday, I think in this slide, or not yesterday, I'm sorry, on Thursday, look, we talk about the quadrant, and I told you quadrant 1 is negative, the x is negative, the y is negative also. Okay, That's why this point is located on quadrant 1. Okay? So, did you finish? Girls, did you finish the exercise? Okay, type 1 if you finish, please, with just one time. Okay, just write the quadrant. Now, let's do exercise number 3. Exercise number 3, I want to know in which quadrant this point will located. So who will tell me now? Maria. Maria, open the mic, Maria, please. Yes, dear. Now look, the point is -6, -2. Yes, in which quadrant this point is located? The first one, the second one, the third one, or the fourth one? The x is negative, the y is negative. That's mean the x is negative. It will be very good, Maria. Thank you so much. Thank you, my dear. Because the x is negative, that's mean it will be on the left side of 0. The y also is negative, that's mean it will be down. So this is the area here that this point will be located in this area. This is, we name it the third quadrant. So you have to write the Roman number, of course, number 3. What about number 4? Yes, Lena, open the mic and tell me. The point is -7, 3. The x is negative, the y is positive. In which quadrant this point will locate? Very good, very good. In quadrant 2. So, thank you, Lena. So, look, the x is negative. That's mean the x will be on the right side, on the left side of 0. And the y is positive. That's mean it will be up over the 0. That's mean this is the x and this is the y. Look, this is x and this is y. That's mean this is the area here. This is the quadrant that this number will be located in, quadrant 2, the second one. 2 vertical lines next together. Okay? Did you finish, girls? Did you finish? Just type 1. I think very easy. Just write the number of quadrant only. Okay, yes, very easy, I think. Yes. Now number 5. Okay, yes, Jenna, open the mic. Jenna Muhammad. Yes, the point is 8, 8. In which quadrant this point will be located? Quadrant 1, very good. Thank you, Jenna. So the x is positive, the y is positive. This is the x positive. It will be on the left, on the right side of 0. The y is positive, that's mean it will be up over the 0. So the point will be in this area, in this region here. That's mean in the first quadrant, number 1. What about number 6? Yes, who didn't answer? Yes, Rijan, open the mic and tell me this point 1, -1. The x is positive, the y is negative. In which quadrant this point will be located? In the fourth one. Very good. Your answer is correct. Thank you, Rijan. So the x is positive. That's mean it will be on the right, in the left side. Sorry, on the right side of 0. The y is negative. That's mean it will be down under the 0. So this is the region. The point will be in this region. That's mean the quadrant number 4. Okay. Okay. Okay, now, did you finish, girls? Type 1 if you finish, please. Now we will talk about the line of symmetry. The line of symmetry. Okay, did you remember when we talked about the line of symmetry and I told you x and y are those axes will be a line of symmetry. Very good, Farah. So first thing here, I have 2 points and those 2 points are reflection of each other across x or y. So I want to identify here which axis is the line of symmetry here, or which axis those numbers are reflection of each other. So I have here to know each one will be in which quadrant, and let's see here the first example. I will do it for you. The first number, or the first point, sorry, is -1, 3. The second one is 1, 3. Look, I have the same numbers in x and y, but the difference is what? The difference is x. The x here is negative and here is positive. So let's locate the first one. Look, girls, -1, 3. -1, 3. The x is negative, that's mean it will be on the left side of 0. The y is positive, that's mean it will be up. If you take a line here and here, this is a line also. This is the point. Okay, let's draw another line. Okay, this is the x and this is the y. This is the point, the first one. What about the second one? 1, 3. 1, that's mean it will be positive on the x and positive on the y. That's mean it will be 3 up. Look at the numbers. Or look at the points. This is the first point here. And this is the second one. The points are reflections across which axis? The x or y? Look, like here I have a mirror. So the 2 points are reflections of each other across which axis, x or y? Who will tell me on the chat? Excellent, Jana Maria Farah. It's why, because like, thank you Tony, thank you Lina. So why? Like a mirror here, like a mirror. Look, this point is a reflection to this point, and also this point is a reflection to this point. So you remember I told you on Thursday and someone said, teacher, it's hard. No, it's not hard when you want to apply it on an exercise. So the axis here is y. It's reflection of each other across the y-axis. Look, when the points are reflection by the y, look, the x are the y are the same. That's why I told you when the y are the same, I have the same y. That's mean y is the line of symmetry. Y is the line of symmetry. The numbers are reflections across the y here. Now let's see now 4, 4, 4, -4. Those 2 points. I will locate those 2 points and I want someone to tell me without locating the numbers what is the line of symmetry here. Arwa, open the mic please and tell me. Arwa, open the mic. Okay. Who want to answer? I will locate 4 and 4. 4 on the x, this is 4. The y, this is also 4. This is the first point. The second point is 4, -4. Also the x is 4, but the y is -4. That's mean it will be down. What is the line of symmetry here? Let's see. Okay, who want to answer? Yes, Mariam, open the mic. What is the line of symmetry? Yes, this is the first point here. Very good, Mariam. Very good. The x is the same. Excellent. Excellent, Mariam. Thank you. So, look, girls, here, the line of symmetry is x because the numbers are reflection of each other across the x, And I told you when we have the same coordinate, the same x, that's mean the line of symmetry is x. That's why, look, like x here is a mirror. Look, is a mirror for this point, so it will be here, and this point will be here. Are reflections, okay? So x here is the line of symmetry. Now, let's take another example to make it more clear for you. Did you finish, girls? Of course, you don't have to draw this coordinate plane, but it's up to you. You want to draw it, it's up to you to explain why. Okay, raise your hand. Who said that? Okay, please raise your hand if you want to answer, girls. Now I will see number uh, okay, number 9 is 2, -9, 2, 9. Okay, Reina, your hand is not raised. Please raise your hand. Yes, Manal, could you please tell me which axis here is the can you found it without the draw the points? 2 negative 2 -9, the x is 2, this is the x, the y is -9. Here the y-axis is divided until -5, so I want to divide it. So I have to extend this line like this. -6. This is -7, -8, and -9. Here, -9. Uh, okay, this is the point here. About 2, 9, 2, 9. Of course, also the y is 9 up. Let's mean it will be up like this. And I have to divide it until 9. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. This is 9. What is the line of symmetry here? X or Y? Again, please. Look, those 2 points. Those the points. This is the first point, and this is the second point. What is the line of symmetry? The points are reflections of each other across which axis? X, very good. Because I have the same X. Look, the X is the same. The Y is the opposite. That's mean, okay, thank you, Manal. The Y is opposite. That's mean the X is the line of symmetry here. Now, number 10. I want you to tell me, Rina, which is the line of symmetry without here drawing the points. No, no, it will not be a heart. Look, I told you, when we have the same coordinate in 2 points and the other will be the opposite, what is the coordinate is the same? That's mean this is the line of symmetry. This is 8, 1, negative 8, 1. Which coordinate is the same in those 2 points? Again, which coordinate is the same? It's 1 and 1 is y, not x, is y. The y is the same and the x is the opposite. That's mean what? Which coordinate, which axis is the line of symmetry? Y, very good. The y is the line of symmetry. Thank you, Rina. Okay, okay, that's okay. Thank you, Rina. Thank you so much. So no need to draw. Just I draw it for you. I draw it for you only to I draw it for you only uh, to explain it. No need to draw the coordinate plane. Okay, so let's move now to number 11. Identify the quadrant where the point is located. So I will erase those to know in which quadrant this point is located. Who will tell me the first one? Negative 8, negative 9. I think this is very easy. You have to know it will be in 1, 2, 3, or 4. So, yes, Yusra. Yes, Yusra, open the mic. Which quadrant here? Which quadrant? Yes, negative x, negative y. That's me. In which quadrant? The third one. Very good. Number 3. Thank you, Yusra. Because the negative x and the negative y, that's mean x is the negative and y is a negative. Yes, Lamar, open the mic. Look, 12, 1. The x and y are positive. So which quadrant here, in which quadrant this point will be located? Lamar? Lamar, open the mic. Okay. Okay. Yes, Tolin, open the mic. In which quadrant this point will be located? Yes, in which quadrant, dear? The x is positive, the y is positive. The x is positive, the y is positive. In which quadrant? Number. In which quadrant? The x is positive and the y is positive. That means this is the region. The first one. Okay? That's mean the first quadrant, number 1. Because x is positive and y is positive. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Rolling. Girls, I told you you have to save. I told you on Thursday, girls, please save the numbers here of quadrant, and each one will be positive or negative, okay, according to the axis. Now let's move to number 13. I want to know here in which quadrant this number, negative 13 and 10. Okay. Okay, who didn't answer? Jana, you answered? Jana Farid, you answered? Okay, negative 13, 10. Look at this point. In which quadrant this point? Jana? Negative 13, negative on x, the x is negative, the y is positive. In which quadrant? X is negative and the y is positive. So that's mean in which quadrant? 2, very good. Thank you, Jana. Now, number 14. the x is, or the x is 5, the y is negative 20, the x is positive, the y is negative. That's mean the x is positive, it will be on the right side of 0. The y is negative, that's mean it will be down. So this is the region. That's mean the quadrant is number 4 on Roman numbers. Okay, did you finish the answers, girls, please? Yes, okay. Let's move down now. Also the same question, I want you to know those numbers, or sorry, those points will be reflections of each other across which axis? X or Y? I told you when we have the same coordinate in 2 points and the other coordinate are the opposite, so that's mean the coordinate which is the same is the line of symmetry. So here negative 9, negative 10, and negative 9, 10. Those 2 points, look at those 2 points. What is the coordinate are the same? Which coordinates are the same? Okay, okay. Selma, open the mic please and tell me which coordinates are the same. Selma, open the mic please. Yes, which coordinates are the same in those 2 points? Here, negative 9, negative 8, negative 10. Here, negative 9, 10. Negative 9, negative 9. Those are the same, right? This is X or Y. This coordinate is X or Y. X, that means the line of symmetry is what? X, very good. So girls, I told you when I have the same coordinate, here x is the same, that's mean, and the y is the opposite, that's mean x is the line of symmetry. If the y is the same, that's mean y is the line of symmetry. You have to save that. No need to draw each time. Now the number 16. Who didn't answer? Saba, open the mic and tell me 21, negative 31, 21, 31. What is the same coordinate here? X or Y? X, very good. 21 and 21. What is the line of symmetry here? X is the same. That's mean the line of symmetry is what? Who is it? Okay, Lamar, you are too late. Just 1 minute. Okay, Saba, please tell me. X is the same. That's mean the line of symmetry is also X. I told you if I have the same X in 2 points, that's mean the X is the line of symmetry. Okay, thank you, Saba. So, and the Y must be the opposite, of course. What about number 17? Okay, Lamar, now open the mic and tell me. 17, I have 15, negative 20, and 15, negative, no, sorry, negative 15, negative 20. What is the same coordinate in those 2 points? The same number. The same number. Which numbers are the same? Give me the same number. Very good. This is X or Y. Oh my God. This is X or Y. Y. The first one is X. The second one is Y. Please save the ordered pair. That means the Y is the same. What is the line of symmetry? Is it's Y. Why? The same, the same. Girls, I told you the y is the same, that's mean y is the line of symmetry. The x is the same, that's mean x is the line of symmetry. Thank you, Lama. Did you finish, girls, please? Did you finish? Okay, very good. Very good. Now let's continue. The last question is give me the reflection uh, of the point across the given axis. This is very important actually. I told you when I have a reflection around x, that means I have the same x and the y, or the same axis, and the other axis will be the opposite. Let's take a look. Look, girls, negative 7. I want the reflection for this point on the y-axis. On the y. I told you when I have the reflection on the y, that means the y will be the same, negative 7. What about the x? The x will be the opposite. That means negative 7 will be, what is the opposite of negative 7? It's 7. The same number with the opposite sign. That means this is the point that it's a reflection of this point across the y-axis. What about this one? Negative 15, 18. I want the reflection across the x-axis. That means x will be the same. Negative 15. What about the y? The y must be the opposite. What is the opposite of 18? Very good, Farah. The opposite of 18 is negative 18. Okay? What about the last one? 20. 11, 9. 11, 9. I want the opposite of the reflection, across the x-axis. What is the x? The x is 11. That means the 11 will be the same. The y will be the opposite. The y is 9. The opposite of the 9 is negative 9. Okay, girls? So, girls, this is our lesson today. Don't forget to do the homework and send it for me. Thank you so much for attending, and see you inshallah tomorrow. Bye bye, everyone.